good use of his only over. Fazal Haq Farooqi, look at the bowling side they got. They've got a very good bowling side.
Farid Malik is asking for the obstruction of field because and once again we see everyone coming around and asking the question, the obstruction of field. Yes, they are celebrating. Out of the celebration you will think that yes, he's been adjudicated out. We'll have to see. They are, oh, it's on the second attempt that he's been run out.
Yeah, that was something surprising. There was a second attempt right at the time when his hand was a little bit up the line. Let's see what will be the result. The third umpire, the TV umpire, is checking it. Muhammad Ishaq Rahimi.
Yeah, well, he is sitting outside of his crease while the bails have been dislodged.
But in the second attempt, the point is if the ball is dead, then will it be given out or not?
I don't think the ball is dead at all because while the throw has been made, the ball is still active in the field, and Farid Malik on the other hand was calling for the obstruction of the field. Ishaq Rahimi got distracted and started looking at Farid Malik, not knowing that he's not been at his crease, and we'll have to wait and see what the TV umpire Kharota thinks. As for the dislodging of bail is concerned, he's absolutely out of his crease.
If it is given out, then the match will become even more interesting. Let's see whether spinner Tigers can defend their lowest total today or not.
Well, I believe he has to be given out because you can find nothing as for Ishaq Rahimi or his bat is concerned to be across the popping crease, but we'll have to see what the decision is made by the TV umpire. There's a tricky thing about the run out. Usually the umpires look at the forward movement and see, okay, how he's dragged his bat. And your point about the ball being dead, let's have a look. Shahidullah Kamal plays it and doesn't take a run. Ishaq Rahimi wants to return. Farid Malik aims at the wicket. He misses, but he calls for the obstruction of the field. And then he's just trying to recollect himself. And the throw comes and dislodges the bails. And just when the bails are dislodged, the appeal is made and asked for the run out. Look, the decision will come down to the fact if the ball is adjudicated dead or not. And that's where the TV umpire will make a decision.
Yeah, a tough decision to make. Let's see the replay once again. And then just shortly comes the throw once again by Samiullah Shinwari when he was out of the crease.
You know, there is a subtle thing that the umpire does with the hand movement from the umpire. He's kind of indicating the fact that, okay, hold on. So that one thing could tell, and maybe the umpire has said that the ball is dead. So if the ball is dead, even if Ishaq is out, even if Ishaq is oh, come on, he's given OUT. So that means that the ball is not dead and he's been adjudicated out. So if there were any reason he could have not been out, would have been if the ball is called dead, and that's it. But the ball was still active in the field and he had not been in the field. Ishaq Rahimi, run out. Darvesh Rasuli, brilliance, presence of mind, 16th of 17, makes things interesting, 61 for 4.